Hello, my amazing family. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are. Today, I want to show you how to make very delicious jollof rice without getting it burnt. As you may know, during the process of preparing jollof rice, it usually starts to get burnt at the bottom of the pot. Today, I want to show you how to prepare delicious jollof rice without it getting burnt at all before it is ready to be eaten. So if this is something that you're interested in, hang in there, stay tuned while I show you how to prepare jollof rice. So I start by washing the rice thoroughly to get rid of the dirt, the dust, the debris, and the chaff. You can see the water is still very cloudy, so I'll keep on adding in more water and straining it out until it becomes clear. As soon as the water is less cloudy, I'll start packing the rice out into a colander to get rid of the excess water. It's always better to give your rice a thorough wash before parboiling it. Some people don't like to wash their rice before they parboil, probably because they are going to wash it again after the parboil. For me, I will go with wash before parboil. How about you? Let me know what you do and what you think in the comment section. My pot of water is already boiling and I'm going to pour in my rice to parboil. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my ingredients to be blended, including onions, scotch bonnet pepper, chili pepper, garlic, and some tomatoes. This is going to be used to prepare the stew for my jollof rice. If you have enjoyed my video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button and share my videos as well. It helps our YouTube algorithm and it will enable me to produce more videos like this. Thank you so much. Now, at this stage, our rice is ready to be washed again. It is hard boiled. This is just half boiled. It is not completely boiled. As you can see, it's still a bit hard. So, as usual, I will wash the rice and keep it in the colander to get rid of the excess water. So this is going to be set aside. I'll just cover it and keep while I go ahead to prepare my stew. For my stew, I'll be making use of tomato paste. You can use any tomato paste of your choice. I have also diced up a whole onion. I'll be using some of it to begin frying the stew and the rest I'll use to garnish the jollof rice. My pot for the stew is already heated up and I'll be adding in some vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice, olive oil, canola oil, soybean oil, just anyone that you like to use. As soon as the oil is hot, I will add in some diced onions and allow it to fry and caramelize before I add in my tomato paste. Allowing the onions to fry until it is caramelized will release some lovely flavor into your stew. So make sure to allow it to caramelize before you add in your tomato paste. At this point, I will now add in my tomato paste and allow it to fry until it disintegrates. At this point, you can see that the tomato paste has already started to scatter, to disperse in the oil. And before we add in the blended ingredients, we're going to add in some salt. I'll give it a good stir and get ready to add in my blended ingredients. Remember, we blended Scotch bonnet pepper, chili pepper, some onions, garlic, and fresh tomato. After adding it in, I'll cover the pot and allow the stew to steam for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the stew is still splashing a lot, as you can see, so I'll cover it and give it a little more time, after which I'll set it aside. Our jollof rice stew is now ready. I will now proceed to cook the rice. I have put in some stock in the pot. This is the pot where I boiled the chicken. So this is the chicken broth. I've added in some seasoning cube, some curry powder, and some thyme. I'm going to allow this mixture to boil. As soon as it comes to a boiling point, I'm going to add in the already parboiled rice. Now I am going to allow the rice to cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will check the rice to see the water level in the rice. I want to check the water level so that to know when to add in my stew. I don't allow the water to get completely dry before adding in my stew. So this water level is just adequate to add in the stew. So I'm going to add in the stew. I will spread it, garnish it with some onions, and allow to steam for the next 2 minutes. And our jollof rice will be ready. This is after 2 minutes. The rice is now ready for a good stir. So we're going to stir this rice and mix it thoroughly to get an even mix. This is now very thoroughly mixed and ready to be served. Yeah, it's already lunchtime and the aroma of this jollof rice is already making me so hungry. I am going to be having my jollof rice with some green leafy vegetables and fried chicken. Before I proceed to eat, I usually like to take a glass of water as it aids my digestion and it gives me also a feeling of fullness so that I don't overeat. I'm going to proceed to eat. Please join me. This is so delicious. Very, very tasty. My beautiful viewers, please try to cook your jollof rice this way and let me know how it turns out. Remember to make your comments in the comment section, okay? So this is how to eat. Eat healthy and stay well. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you all. Bye bye.